Hello guys, today in this video I like to show you how to update the data in MongoDB. So what is MongoDB? MongoDB is a document database designed for ease of application development and scaling. So today we focus on to update the documents. So to update an existing documents, we can use the update one or update many methods. The first parameter in a query object is to define whose document or documents should be updated, and we use the second parameter to define the object where we need to update the data. And what is update one method? The update one method will update the first document that is found matching the provided query. And what is update many? The update many method will update all the documents that matches the query that matches the provided query. So here we have some of the operators in MongoDB that we need while updating the documents. So the first one is current date. The current date set the field value to the current date, and we have the $inc, it increments the field value. And another we have $rename, it renames the field. And we have $set, it set the field value of the field in a document. And we have $onset, at last it removed the field from the document. Okay, now let's begin. Here we have. Now first I'll start my mongoose. I'll just type here mongo sh, here it is. Now I'll just write so dbs here. Now today I'll use company database, so I'll write huge company. Okay, now I'll just write here so collections. Here I have only one collection, that is employees collection. So today I'll use this collection employees to update the data, or to update all the documents from the employees collection. So so all the data from the employees collection, I have to write db dot employees dot find function. Okay, here it is. These are the list of documents from the employees collection. So basically we use find and the find one method to update the data. So also both of them here. So I'll update here, let's say I'll update the email. So let's say that first I'll just write db dot employees dot find, and inside the find I'll give one parameter here. In parameter I'll just write here name nc fargo. Here it is. Here I have two document with the name nc fargo. Now if I want to update here, it's let's say like address I want to update. So what I need to do for that, db dot employees dot update one here, and inside the update one I'll just give the parameter here. The parameter will be my name, and in the second parameter what I'll write here, I'll write okay, I don't need this one, I'll give the curly bracket here. I'll just write $set operator. $set operator will set the value to the existing field. So $set, I'll write here, let's say I want to change the address, so address, and from Kathmandu to I'll write here Java, and just I'll enter here. Here it is, modified count 1, it has already been done. So when I just type db.employees.find name nc fargo, and when I just see the address, first address, it has changed to Java. In this way I can update the field value in MongoDB. Now if I want to update both field value, then what I need to use here, I have to use update many method. So let's use db dot employees dot update many, and inside the in object many I'll write the first parameter. Inside the first parameter I'll give my name to source the document, and in another I'll just write $set, and inside here I'll just write address, and I want to change the address to, let's say, Bhadrapur, to both the field of both documents. So when I click here enter, okay, what happened here, okay, I forgot to give one curly bracket here. Okay, enter. Okay, here it is, enter. Here it is. Now it says that the modified field count is 2. Now when I just use the find method, and when I search here it is, the address has been changed in both field, address Bhadrapur and address Bhadrapur. And now I'll show how to use the operators, update operator in MongoDB. Let's say that I want to update the last modified date when I update the field. So for that, what I need to do is db dot employees dot update one. I use the update one method for now. Update one, here I'll just use name I'll use nc and let's say I want to update, for now I want to update the mobile number. Okay, $set mobile number. For that I just write mobile, and here I write 9813371 Okay, now I want to modify the last update date. So for that, what I need to write here, I need to write the operator $current date, and here I will write last modified true. Okay, now I'll just enter. Here I'll just write enter. Okay, now when I have updated the mobile number, it has also updated the last modified date. So the next parameter is I use the $inc. So what is $inc? $inc will increment the value. Means we can just update, or we can update, or we can do addition to the existing value. So for now, let's say that db dot employees dot employees, it's bees dot find, and inside the find I'll use one query. Here I write Noindra Raj. Okay, here the age is 55. So if I want to add 5 here in this age, I want to add one more 5. So what I need to do for that, I have to write db dot employees dot update one, and inside this update one I'll write name NAIN Noindra Raj Fago, and in second parameter I use $inc $inc. Okay, now here what I need to write is I have to write age 5, enter. Okay, now when I just use this and see the document, here it is, the age has been updated and it has just added one more 5 in 55. So the total will be 60 in age. Now the next thing we can do is we can use the rename operator, $rename operator, to rename existing field, any existing field. For now I'll use db dot employees dot find. I'll use the one I'll use one document name Nitesh Hamal. Okay, enter. Here now if I want to change the field name from mobile to, like phone. So what I need to do for that, I need to use the $rename operator. So let's say for now dv dot employees dot update one, and in this update one I have to give first parameter. In first parameter I'll give the name, and in name I'll use Nitesh Hamal. And in the second parameter, what I need to write in the second parameter is $rename $rename, and in $rename I'll write here mobile. Okay, mobile. For mobile, what I need to write, okay, let's say phone, I'll write here. When I do enter, okay, it has been modified. Now when I see, and here it is, the field name has been changed from mobile to phone in this way. Now I want to just delete this phone field. Then what I need to do for that, I have to use the onset parameter operator in MongoDB. So dv dot employees dot update one, and in this update one I'll write Nitesh Hamal. And in the second parameter I'll just have to use $onset, and in $onset I'll just write phone, and just blank enter. Okay, now when I just go and enter here, the phone field has been removed from Nitesh Hamal document. Okay, for today this much only. I hope you understood how to update the data means field in MongoDB. It's so easy, and I hope you understood all. Thank you for today.